Hello, Israel, my old friend. I've come to pray for you again. With joy so many came that day to dance. Terror came to kill and rob the chance. Oh, the horrors that were planted in my brain still remain within the sound of sirens. Restless mothers cry alone. Will their babies come back home? Rockets fired at every stone. A land defended by the Iron Dome. Lives were stolen when they came to take our girls and boys. Blood-stained toys and the sound of sirens. Courageous men called off for war. 400,000, maybe more. Still people talking of peace treaties. The world is watching without looking, and opinions from a desk in a country nowhere near. But they don't hear the chilling sound of sirens. They all condemn and say, hold on. Lay down our guns and she'd be gone. The bravest men and women every day, they fight so we can live another day. These words fall silent on the world's deaf ears. No one cares for the sounds of sirens. Families mourn but stand as one. United 'cause they know they've won. 'Cause the one above is on our side. Call upon his name and he'll provide. When I'm Yisrael's prayers are heard against the Western wall, once and for all, we'll hear the final sound of sirens.